How was everything?
Good.
The chicken. Do you remember the chicken name?
Shit.
Wing, wing.
Shit.
Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are making
Chettinad style.
curry Colombo. Yeah, so this chicken actually, I have never tried this chicken before. Have you guys ever tried this chicken before?
Nope.
This is the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and try. So here we got all the spices ready, and in the chicken we're gonna go ahead and put coconuts right here. So Appa already cleaned the chicken, already pull out the skin out. So as you guys can see, everything looks good. So here we have cilantro, tomato, and onions, and I cannot wait to cook this chicken. I am ready, and let's go.
All right, guys. So now, like my wife said, we are making Chettinad style Koli curry Colombo, which is a chicken curry. Chettinad style. Chettinad is one of the region in Tamil Nadu. So since it's a chicken Chettinad, so what are we going to do? We are not making like a typical way. You guys can see so much spices like a cilantro seeds, which is a coriander seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorn seeds. I think jadipu. I don't know in English. Fennel seeds, dry red chili, star anise, yelaka, krambu, patta, lavangam, ellame irukku. So just we're going to do, also I have a coconut as well. We're going to cook with sesame oil, which is nallanai.
Sesame oil.
Yeah, in Tamil we call nallanai.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put him.
Oh. So actually my husband is gonna show me how to cook this chicken. We're gonna go ahead and helping out each other here. Already
Yeah,
put it oil, so what do we do next?
So I don't want to heat it up too much.
Okay.
And the main ingredients are curry leaves, guys. And we couldn't get a curry leaves. Okay, just I'm going to add all the ingredients in the plate. You can put everything together, yeah.
Okay.
We just don't want to burn them. So we're adding, the whole spices. And you can add kasa kasa too.
Kasa kasa.
This is what do you call? This is called, I forgot the name. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the main ingredients. We're gonna add all the spices with the coconut.
At the end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So some people put a sesame seeds. We don't have a sesame seeds, but we put a sesame oil. So we're just gonna mix it up. We don't want to burn too many colors. We make sure, like a good color, like a golden brown color.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we had a curry leaf,
Curry
we
leaves.
will start it with a curry leaf first, right?
We can put a curry leaves here.
All
It's
together.
it's a main ingredients kind of. Actually, I would say the curry leaves is gonna give a super good flavor.
I love curry leaf smells. It smells really good in every food that my husband make.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is really good. So it's on medium fire right now.
Yeah, we don't wanna
burn it.
Mm-hmm.
As my husband say, it has to turn golden brown. You guys can see right here.
You feel the smell, right?
Now you can start feeling it. Smells really good.
Yeah, now I can add coconut. Once I add a coconut, I'm just gonna turn it off.
So we added coconut in here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
This is already grated coconut. Yeah.
Really good.
The flavors, the smells good, right?
Yes. All right. Look at all this. It's turning really good, baby. I can smell.
I'm gonna turn it off. So that's the heat is enough.
Wow.
We don't want to burn them.
So we're gonna put it in the blender, and then we're just gonna go ahead and blend it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna change it in the blender, guys. So it's a good color, and I like the good color, and I like the flavor and the smell. Everything looks good.
Smells really good.
I'm just gonna shift it to small blender. I'm gonna blend it together. Let it cool down first before we blend them. So in the meantime, we can work on frying our onions and tomatoes in this pot.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the stove is already off.
I'm gonna move it here.
Okay.
Just gonna switch it here.
All right. So now we are going to start with onions, tomato, and cilantro here.
Okay. This is on. You can hold this one if you want, so you guys can see.
Let me put
Once it's cooled down, I'm going to blend it. Like I said before.
the oil is ready. We're serving with onions.
Yeah. Before that, you can add a little bit of fennel seeds. because we added already there, just a little bit, you know. Already fennel seeds is getting ready, guys. Already it's brown. I'm gonna put in some onion.
Hey baby,
Yes.
I'm here recording,
Yeah.
but so far we're doing amazing. So we're just gonna switch back and forth with recording.
Yeah.
And as you're doing that, I'm probably gonna blend it, all the spices together, or I can come and cook the chicken. Which one do you like? This is called teamwork.
Yeah, I can actually blend it. You don't like too much spicy. That's why I put the red chili a little bit. Okay, already I blend the spices. Look at this, the color. This is a perfect color. Like I said, curry leaves are missing. Onions ready.
Wow.
I'm just gonna add some ginger garlic paste here. I'm just gonna add some tomato.
Now it's my turn, so I'm gonna go ahead and add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. Alright, mix it up together. Alright, so now we are gonna add salt. Mix it together.
You want me to bring chicken?
Yes, baby, thank you. Alright,
Adding chicken is already washed.
so we can now mix together. Look at this.
Then we can add
Wow.
that's the water. It's gonna come a little bit water out from the chicken once it's cooked, and after that we can add the ground spices.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is looking really good. Leave your comment down below and share with us. Let us know how you cook this type of chicken.
Yeah.
How
My wife is doing good, guys.
I'm learning. This is really great. So now it makes more sense when we're like cooking together, right? So now I know how to make Chettinad chicken.
Chettinad, yeah.
Yeah, Chettinad chicken curry Colombo.
Woo, smells good. Smell it.
Woo, really good. So now it's time to mix this spice
Yeah.
in this chicken.
Yeah.
Oh wow. All right, cameraman, you wanna close here? Cheyenne is recording right now.
I'm gonna add some water too.
Ooh, we're adding water.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think that
nice.
should be fine.
Okay.
And we added already salt.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just let's mix it up, and we can cover it for like a 15 minutes. Let the chicken cook, and everything, all the sauce, we're gonna mix it up together.
Wow.
Um,
And we can eat it with rice or chapati.
You can eat with rice. You can eat with parota,
Okay.
vichu parota, kili parota, kottu parota, anything. Yeah, look at the color, guys. This is Chettinad chicken curry.
Chettinad chicken curry.
Yeah, this is my style. Like I said, I know everybody makes a different way. Please, he's gonna leave it for. I will leave it for 30 minutes.
Yeah. So this is our favorite flat top that we use with everything, with fish. We use with everything. It's
Dosa,
dosa.
rava dosa.
Rava, exactly right. I
Yeah.
think I have to make that video.
Yeah.
Rava dosa for breakfast. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
I would love that. So right now I'm just heated up the parota. This is really great parota. Actually, you can get it from Costco. Easy made. You can put it in a microwave too if you want to, but we like to put it here. Here, let's go ahead and check out the chicken. Ooh. Wow, look at this.
Ooh,
It's really good.
you can make it. You can lower the fire.
Yeah. It's already on the medium.
Okay, then it's good.
It's
Gonna
really
mix it
good,
up.
right? It looks really good. And I'm just gonna go
I like the
ahead.
color.
This is really great, baby. Thank you for teaching me this. This is really, I thought it's gonna be more complicated, but I think the little bit complicated part is the mixing spiciness together, blend them, and then voila. This is really great. So I'm just gonna go get the cilantro and then put it on top.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the cilantro on top.
Oh, looks good. I like the color.
Nice.
Just leave your comment down below how do you guys making your chicken chettinad? This is like I said, my style. Oh, smells good.
Smells really good.
Yeah, parota is getting ready.
Alright, so I'm just gonna flip this on the side. Ooh, look at this, the golden brown. Okay, so the only thing I like about this flat top right here, I don't have to add it oil. As you guys can see, the parota, it's literally cooked real nicely, no too much oil, and golden brown. This is really, really great. All right, I already washed my hand.
It looks really good.
Do you want me to put it on the colombo on top of the
Parota.
parota?
A little bit, yeah.
So in Tamil Nadu, what do we do? Let me show you. Just rip them, all of them.
Like this?
Yeah, rip them.
Oh,
Make it smaller pieces. Put it together. Now put on the soup. I mean the colombo on the top. So that's how we eat parota.
wow.
We call parota in Tamil.
Parota.
Put chili in now. Oh,
This
okay.
is how Apayi and Tata, they do it in India.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and separate it all together. Kayal is doing the same thing. Put them together like this. There you go. Ready?
My hands are getting dirty parota. Or parota.
Kayal.
Okay.
That looks really good. Oh, you're doing good, Kayal. Okay. There you go.
Okay. Okay, guys, taste and let me know how you guys like it.
Here, chicken for you.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the chicken.
And chicken.
Okay.
for you.
Jillian is tasting the first one.
It's good. It has like, it's spicy. It has like the good salt.
Wow, that's good.
Mmm. The spicy came out really, really good.
Everybody like it, and I can't believe that my wife is making the chicken curry now.
You helped me and you
Yeah.
did most of everything actually. I learned so much. How was everything?
Good.
Yummy.
The chicken. Do you remember the chicken name?
Shit.
Wink, wink, wink.
Shit.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave your thumbs up.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next
Bye.
video. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday.